This video is sponsored by Setapp. Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and a few weeks ago, Mophie announced and released a couple of new wireless charging options. But what makes them so significant is that these are the first multi-device chargers available directly from the Apple Store since the company announced its plans to cancel AirPower. In this video, we're going to check out both the dual wireless charging pad as well as Mophie's 3-in-1 Qi charger that aims to fill that AirPower-sized void. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications whenever we share a video. The first charger from Mophie is this dual charger, which really isn't anything crazy. There's a lot of companies out there that have been making dual chargers for quite some time now. But again, as I said, this is the first one to make its way into the Apple Store. The top of the charger features two little slits to help identify where the charging coils are actually located and where you should place your phone or AirPods or multiple phones at the same time. There's also a USB Type-A port located on the back for additional charging options, so technically you have 3 devices that you could charge at the same time if you choose to do so, but you'll obviously have to use a cord for that. If you want to charge 3 devices at the same time without cords, then maybe we should check out the 3-in-1 charger. That might be the right option for you, assuming that you're looking to charge AirPods, Apple Watch, and an iPhone, or really any phone at the same time. This charger is specifically designed to fit those 3 items on top, with the phone being placed over the Mophie branding, the AirPods going in this convenient AirPod-sized cutout, and the watch going on top of the included Apple Watch charging puck that connects to the base. As I said earlier, this concept isn't anything new, and we actually featured the Nomad base station before in a video, which is pretty much the same product. There are some pros and cons with these chargers specifically, most notably being the slippery surface. It kind of makes it a bit hard for an unprotected iPhone to stay on the same spot. If you have a case on your iPhone, most likely it's going to be fine. Now, this problem isn't specific to Mophie per se. There's other chargers out there that have slippery surfaces and it has the same result, but Mophie actually makes a felt version of this 3-in-1 charger. They don't sell it directly through Apple, they sell it on their own website, but you can go ahead and pick that one up for the same price if you choose to do so. Probably would be a better option if you do not have any protection on your phone, you're worried about it sliding around. Both Qi pads charge devices at 7.5 watts, which is nice, and both feature this absolutely massive power adapter, which is not so nice. Speaking of not so nice, the prices. While they do fall in line with most of the other premium wireless chargers out there from, well-known brands, they're still much more expensive than what you can probably find on Amazon. But if you need to go Apple certified, then you're gonna have to fork over the extra cash. You can pick up the dual charging pad for around $80, and the 3-in-1 retails for roughly $140, and you can find them both on apple.com. So be sure to let us know your thoughts on these chargers, as well as maybe some other alternatives that you might recommend in the comment section down below. Before we end today's video, I do want to give you more information about this month's channel sponsor, Setapp. Setapp is one of the best places to find new and useful applications for your Mac. Setapp packs over 150 Mac apps into just one. Every app's developer on Setapp provides full support and seamless updates for their creations so that you can focus on yours. Since data is largely cloud-based, it only makes sense that apps should be too. Setapp installs and uninstalls apps instantly while retaining your settings so that you can have it all without hogging any space on your computer. There are so many useful applications that I use on a daily basis, like Paste, Sip, Downy, and much more, with new apps being added constantly, as well as consistent free updates to existing applications. Use Setapp completely free for the first week to see if it fits with your workflow by clicking the link in the description down below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.